Alright, sige.
You have to teach us how to dance.
Okay, Chris, how are you doing? Sige, mauna ka na.
Meeting up with the Muad'Dib.
With the Muad'Dib, go. Lapit lang yan.
Kasi hindi ko, I don't know anymore kung seryoso siya rin.
Seryoso yan. Picture lang sa taas.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Oh, yan na, tatakbo siya kunyari eh.
Galing, no? Even the
Yeah, I know.
sand falls.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pero careful ah, pwedeng pag may loose sand ka, babaon ka. Nangyari na sa akin yun. Buti lang dako itong sapatos na to.
Buti hindi ako parang samba.
Samba.
Gamit ko nung
Oh, samba.
imagine.
Okay. You're on camera.
Ooh, it's warm.
Grabe,
It's warm.
init na ng phone ko.
Init na ng phone. Kaya nga, ako rin, mainit yung phone eh.
Mag-alarm yung phone mo eh.
That's why I'm using this na lang.
Picture daw.
Kunan din kita. Akit ka na.
So si Audrey would remain in the
Audrey would be inside.
In the hotel.
No,
The
yes,
restaurant.
the restaurant. Ano?
Yeah.
Di ba? Napanood ba yung Temptation Island? Yung sumayaw na lang tayo. But yeah, look at that.
Grabe, no?
Grabe. Oo, kaya nga. Wala na. So I'm using this na lang muna. So don't worry, we have a few photos. Yeah. Wild. Sige, no problem.